The medical school personal statement might be the most misunderstood and underestimated of all the essays that we work on at Your Best College Essay. The prompt seems simple enough. In 5,300 characters, explain why you're applying to medical school, but it confounds most applicants. One of our recent applicants had a myriad of possible reasons for applying. Anisha had a deep and unabiding love for biology. Her parents, aunts, uncles were all doctors, and from a young age, Anisha was fascinated with what a doctor does and the impact they can have on a patient's life. Anisha had also shadowed a doctor in a hospital one summer, and when she spoke about this experience, she was positively brimming with excitement. Our idea for Anisha's personal statement was this: a day in the life of shadowing a cardiologist at a top-rated hospital. Her essay started when she arrived at the hospital in the morning, ended with her leaving, and included all the fascinating details of what happened over that 24-hour period. Anisha's essay really showed admissions officers why she wanted to go to med school, rather than simply telling them. And clearly Anisha's personal statement was a hit. She was accepted to 5 out of the 7 medical schools that she applied for, ultimately choosing the School of Medicine at Johns Hopkins University. Your Best College Essay. Dig deep. Be original.